I know it's the time of year, Paul. We hate hearing about it.
Yeah.
But at least we know you guys are keeping a close eye on them.
And we're going to have a lot to keep an eye on over the next few days. We're going to talk about both Aaron and Dorian right now. We'll get Aaron kind of out of the way because the system is not going to have a direct impact on our weather in even the worst case scenario. It's just kind of drifting out there right now, but it's going to pick up steam and move off to the north. This was a tropical depression yesterday. It strengthened to tropical storm strength. It's still not very organized. Most of the storms are still south of the center of circulation. This thing's going to race off to the north. Could be kind of a headache for the maritime provinces of Canada as we hit late this week and over the weekend, but it's not going to get any closer to the east coast of the U.S. than where it is right now. Let's pan down to the Caribbean, where Tropical Storm Dorian is still making its way closer and closer to Puerto Rico. Has 60-mile-an-hour sustained winds, which is kind of the middle ground for a tropical storm. It does look like it's going to stay a tropical storm as it tracks right over Puerto Rico over the next 24 hours. So we'll switch over from the current satellite view to that forecast path, and we'll take you through the next 5 days. As it moves over the island of Puerto Rico, it's going to bring some heavy rain, the potential for some mudslides, and some gusty winds, but 70-mile-an-hour winds. This isn't going to be a repeat of Maria, but the storms don't have to be a repeat of a Category 5 hurricane to still cause some major issues. Once it gets past the island of Puerto Rico, it's going to get into some warm ocean water. Conditions around the storm are going to be more favorable for it to get more organized, reach hurricane strength as early as tomorrow night, and then maintain that strength as we hit the end of the work week. After that point, beyond 72 hours out, the range of possibilities really widens out. That cone of uncertainty extends from Miami all the way up to the southern tip of South Carolina. But really, everybody from Key West to Hatteras should be keeping an eye on this storm because some of the forecast models try to curve it along the coast. Others take it right across the Florida Peninsula into the Gulf of Mexico. The range of possibilities 4 and 5 days out, especially 6 or 7 days out, is huge. So we're going to keep you updated on this. It doesn't look great for the east coast of Florida right now with the official forecast as a Category 2 hurricane making landfall Sunday night into early Monday. A lot more data is going to come in on this. The forecast will change. That's inevitable with tropical systems. It's just the manner of those changes. We're going to have to keep an eye on that, and we'll be here to watch the latest information and pass it along to you, along with some analysis along the way. Just light showers out there this morning, just enough to be a headache for the morning commute from Durham County into Orange County, Chatham, now western Wake counties as well. The bulk of the shower activity is going to fall apart over the next couple of hours. We'll zoom out for the wider perspective, and there's more rain out to our west. That's along the dividing line between sticky air that's back in place over central North Carolina right now and some relief from the humidity that's on the way for tomorrow. So let's track the showers again. Some activity still possible as we head towards midday, but also some breaks in the cloud cover. That's when we warm up, and that's when we see a few more showers popping back up as we head into this afternoon. They're going to be pretty few and far between. A chance for a few rumbles of thunder, but for the most part, just showers. In between, temperatures warm up to the mid to upper 80s for highs this afternoon. Back to typical August weather. Typical August temperatures sticking around tomorrow and Friday, but the humidity drops tonight. Should be pretty comfortable in the mornings. Tomorrow and Friday, even into Saturday, the chances of rain do go up for Sunday and for Labor Day. A lot of that, though, depends on how exactly Tropical Storm Dorian evolves over the next several days. We'll keep an eye on it for you, and we'll keep you updated through the holiday weekend. Right now at 6:19, we've hit the middle of the work week. Time for an update on traffic.